Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an admin account and a recent restore point. This protects you if something goes wrong. Open Device Manager, find the faulty device, and read its hardware ID so you download the exact driver. Once done, disconnect non-essential peripherals to reduce conflicts, then download the vendor driver package rather than relying on automatic updates. Make sure to use a wired network if possible, because driver downloads are large and must complete without interruption for a clean install. You now remove the old driver completely so remnants do not cause repeated failures. In Device Manager, right-click the device, choose Uninstall, and check Delete Driver Software. This forces a fresh start. Once removed, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then sfc/scano to repair system files that can block drivers. After that, install the vendor package by right-clicking Setup and choosing Run as Administrator. Make sure to reboot after installation, then check Device Manager and Event Viewer for any error codes. You finish by locking the correct driver and validating stability. Go to Advanced System Settings, Hardware, Device Installation Settings, and prevent Windows from auto-replacing the working driver. This avoids accidental regressions. Once done, create a fresh restore point and test for daily tasks. If a new driver breaks things, roll back in Device Manager immediately. If problems persist, run the vendor removal utility to purge traces, and consider a clean Windows reinstall only as the last resort, because that permanently removes deeper corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.